Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can make your computer's text way bigger than they actually are, so this is helpful for those who have sight problems. So start by opening Settings. Then go Ease of Access. So this is where you will set the text size. So to simply increase your text size, so simply long click this button and bring it forward and simply click on Apply. And now as you can see, suddenly the texts on your screen has increased its size, and if you check anywhere on your laptop, you will see that every single text has become big. So to reverse the action, simply go back and then long press the button and slide it on the left. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.